This is not a video for students who want to do the last-minute preparation for exams. I repeat, this is not a video to find some shortcuts. But if you really want to study for exams and make an excellent study schedule, then stick with me. Because in this video, I am going to help you make a very effective study schedule for your exams. But before moving on, let me explain the basics of a good study schedule. It must include 4 things. First, effective time distribution. A study schedule must help you manage your time effectively. Without a plan, you might think that there is enough time and I will definitely prepare for the exam, which, by the way, does not happen most of the time, and you end up wasting most of your valuable time. So, a study timetable rewires your brain, and you stop wasting time during the exam season. Second, a study schedule provides a sense of direction and organization. When you have a clear plan that outlines the topic and the time allocated for each topic, it solves 2 of the most important problems: stress and uncertainty. As you know, studying during exams is extremely stressful, and you are always uncertain how difficult your exam paper can be. This creates a problem in your brain, and you can't focus. But when you make a study schedule and start preparation in smaller, more manageable time intervals, it not only reduces exam pressure, but also increases your focus. If you want to know how to develop a habit of extreme focus during study, check out this video. Third, a study schedule makes you consistent. Consistency is the important problem. Also, too much studying in 1 or 2 days makes you tired and demotivated. So, studying in regular and spaced-out time intervals is super effective. You will have better retention of information and a deeper understanding of the important topics. Fourth, a study schedule helps you with effective prioritization. Important topics get proper time for reading and understanding. So now you understand why studying with a proper timetable is important. It solves your most basic problems of procrastination, cramming, stress, and burnout. It's like a yoga exercise. Suppose air is the knowledge. You slowly breathe in knowledge by feeling it. With every breath of the topic going inside, your stress starts to come outside, and you start to feel more relaxed and confident. In fact, you start loving the process once you start to notice the outcomes. So if you want to make an effective study schedule, then stick with me for just 1 minute, and you will have the most important trick in your hands to go for the exams. Now let's move on to making a proper study schedule. 1. Assessment. Begin by assessing the content and topics that will be covered in the exams. Understand the format of the exams, multiple choice, essays, etc., and the weight of each topic. 2. Set clear goals. Define specific, achievable goals for each study session. Break down larger topics into smaller, manageable sections. Ensure that your goals align with the time available before the exams. 3. Prioritize topics. Prioritize topics based on their importance and your level of familiarity with them. Focus on areas where you need the most improvement, but also allocate time to reinforce what you already know. 4. Allocate time. Divide the available study time into manageable sessions. Consider your daily commitments and create a balance between subjects. Aim for focused study sessions with breaks to avoid burnout. 5. Create a schedule. Use a planner, calendar, or a digital scheduling tool to create a daily or weekly study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic. Be realistic about the time you can commit each day. 6. Include breaks. Incorporate breaks into your schedule. Short breaks between study sessions help maintain focus and prevent fatigue. Consider the Pomodoro technique, with 50 minutes of focused study followed by a 10-minute break. 7. Variety in subjects. Avoid monotony by incorporating variety into your schedule. Rotate between different subjects to keep your mind engaged and prevent burnout on a single topic. 8. Review and revision. Set aside dedicated time for review and revision. Regularly revisit previously covered material to reinforce your understanding and improve long-term retention. 9. Practice with mock exams. Closer to the exam date, allocate time for practicing with mock exams. This helps you familiarize yourself with the exam format and improves your time management skills. 10. Adaptability. Be flexible and willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Life may throw unexpected challenges at you, and your study plan should be adaptable to changes. 11. Self-care. Don't forget self-care. Ensure you're getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. 12. Consistency. Consistency is key. Stick to your study schedule as much as possible. Consistent, focused effort over time is more effective than last-minute cramming. 13. Seek support. If you need clarification on certain topics, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, classmates, or online resources. 14. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. This boosts motivation and reinforces a positive study mindset. Making a study schedule based on these guidelines will provide you with a roadmap for efficient and structured learning. Use the Pomodoro technique from my precious video to learn to study in circles. Length and division of time are on your very own shoulders because now you know how to sort out an effective study plan. Once you make a plan, try to follow it because if you fail to do so, it will lead to poor exam performance due to time mismanagement, a lack of organization, inconsistency, and ineffective prioritization. If you find this video helpful, share it with at least one of your friends. Tell us in the comments section about your sturdy plan. Subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this.